In this video, you'll learn how to automate customer support using n8n. This process will help streamline your support operations, allowing for more efficient handling of customer inquiries. Start by navigating to the n8n workflows page, open your web browser and enter the n8n URL. Once the page loads, ensure that you are on the workflows interface, where you can manage and create various automation tasks. Next, locate and click on the templates option. This button is usually found in the main navigation menu. After clicking, the template screen will appear, displaying various pre-built workflows that can be utilized or customized for your needs. After this, you will want to find the search bar on the templates page. The search bar is typically located at the top of the screen, making it easy to access. Click inside the search bar to activate it, preparing to enter your search query. Type in customer support automation into the search bar. As you type, the interface may begin filtering results to match your query. Once you have entered the complete phrase, look for the matching templates that appear below. Click on one of the templates that best suits your customer support needs. Each template will have a brief description, so take a moment to review these before making your selection. After clicking on a template, you will be taken to a dedicated screen for that particular workflow. Once the templates page loads, find and click on the Use for Free button. This action enables you to start working with the selected template without any cost. The system may take a moment to process your request, so be patient as it prepares the template for your workspace. Following this, you will see an option to import template to one workspace. Click on this button to add the template to your account. This step is essential as it allows you to customize the workflow according to your specific requirements. A confirmation message may appear, indicating that the template has been successfully imported. Before proceeding, ensure that you have adequate storage available in your n8n account. If you are working with large workflows or multiple templates, insufficient storage could hinder your ability to save changes. Check your account settings for storage details. After completing these steps, you will have successfully imported a customer support automation template into your n8n workspace. You can now customize the workflow further to fit your specific business processes. This automation will assist in managing customer inquiries more effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.